So if you've watched me doing lightning talks here for the last few years, I tend to stand here and take the piss out of people that aren't very good at Perl a bit. I decided this year I'd be a bit more positive. So it's a project I've been working on to decrease the amount of Perl in the world. That's Perl with the capital letters. So there's this piece of software called Assissant, and you get it free, it's open source. You get it with, it's a Fedora project, and it's a way to start writing an application. So you start it up, and it gives you options to choose from. And one of the options that you choose from is Perl, and it gives you a starter Perl application. You can choose various different types. Here we've chosen the basic class, and you fill in the name of the class you want to create, and it goes away and builds you some bits and pieces, and tells you that you can run the application by running this thing that it's created called main.pl. But if you take a look at the code that it generates, it's not great. And if you look at the main.pl that it generates, I mean, there's things like new my class, and it's basically testing it, but in a pretty grim way.
Did you comment the script out, or is?
No, the string was... So, I don't use tools like this, and I'm sure that many of you don't use tools like this, but there are people out there that think that these tools are useful, and they might use them to start Perl, and they get a pretty bad first impression of how to write Perl classes. Yeah, are they writing Perl or are they writing Perl? So, the project is on GitHub. And you know what happens to projects when they're on GitHub? They get forked, they get hacked on, and we send a pull request. So here's a pull request that I wrote actually about a year ago to fix the OO code. And then another one that I did pretty soon afterwards, which actually turned main.pl into a proper test. They merged that within a couple of hours. And then they released it pretty soon afterwards. Here's another one that I did to add another helper to create classes based on Moose. That was merged again within 24 hours. Lots of people, well, the people on the team saying thank you very, very, very much, that was great. Yet they're obviously not Perl programmers. And they'd really like more help. It's really not very difficult to do. It's an easy way to make a difference. So they've got GitHub, as I said, devassistant/dat-perl is the Perl thing. I've actually taken time to put a few issues in their issue trackers, things that we might like to give them. But if you're looking at the update dancer to use dancer 2, I've already got a pull request waiting that fixes that. That was really easy to do. But the nice thing is, these people, they obviously they want to treat Perl as a first-class language, and there are very few people out there that actually do that anymore. But as I say, they aren't really first-class Perl programmers. And they would like our help. And they appreciate our help. It's nice to be thanked for pull requests. Why wouldn't you go and help? Get forking. Thank you very much.